Hello viewers, in this video we are going to know how to crack the aptitude of any companies. So let's understand what is exactly the aptitude. Aptitude for a placement is one of the screening tests and lots of companies have their aptitude test where it is observed that 90% of students get failed. So why does this aptitude is conducted? To know the personality of student, understanding the strength, and it is one of the tool to evaluate your suitability for the job. So I will show you simplest and easiest way how to crack the aptitude. So first of all, let's understand the selection process. During selection process, there are 3 steps. The first one is aptitude test. Second one is coding round or group discussion. Third one is the multiple face-to-face interviews including HR round. After that, the content or the steps of aptitude for the placement. There are 4 steps for the aptitude. First one is logical reasoning. Second one is quantitative aptitude. Third, data interpretation, and the fourth one is verbal ability. So the candidate must understand before appearing the placement like what is exactly the syllabus of all these 4 steps. So to crack the aptitude, we should go through in brief whatever is the syllabus of first step, that is logical reasoning. It is generally based upon missing numbers, odd one out numbers, data sufficiency, conclusions, assumptions, courses of actions, puzzles, syllogisms, cubes, dices, alphanumeric series, then reasoning analogy, blood relation numericals, calendars, clocks, age, deductive reasoning or statement analysis and interferences. So these are the portion of all about logical reasoning. After that, candidate should understand what is the syllabus for quantitative aptitude. For quantitative aptitude, it is the basic math from 8th standard and onwards. Generally, the numericals on numbers, LCM, HCF, work, wages, pipes, systems, time, speed, distance, trains, boards, streams, percentage, algebra, and even age, profit loss, clocks, geometry, probability, coding, decoding, trigonometry, height, distance, this is and mensuration also. So this is the basic of syllabus which is included for quantitative aptitude. After quantitative aptitude, it comes the part of verbal ability where totally based upon passages or sentences, error detection, correction, fill in the blanks, comprehension passages, cloze test, jumbled word, antonyms, synonyms, idioms, phrases, vocabulary and one word substitution. So this part should be prepared during aptitude for the preparation of aptitude. After that, let's understand how to practice for the aptitude. Like what should be the criteria or what should be the preparation we should prepare. First of all, just go for a practice regularly, appropriate in a right direction, appropriately on every topic as suggested in the previous syllabus portion. Minimum 30 questions should be solved and you must know your strength also as well as your weakness, and there should be consistency in your work. You must have a research of many companies like what are the previous time whatever aptitude test they had conducted. So you have some little bit survey research of that. Most important, you must go for a time management. You should be focused and you should be determined. So these are few tricks or the ways to practice for the aptitude test. After that, there are many tricks to solve aptitude questions also. Basically, you must have the clarity of fundamental concept. So just go through the syllabus of 8, 9, 10. Go through as discussed in the discussed earlier also. Solve all the most of the questions of the best given syllabus or referred syllabus. How your time management, speed. As you want to know about your strengths, similarly try to understand your weakness also. Try to overcome those weakness and most of the time make practice or make sure to solve a different kind of numericals. Refer maximum questions strengthen your weakness or weak links. So these are few tricks where you can clear your aptitude. After that, to increase the aptitude speed, you must understand basically the question. What is exactly the question? Learn the speed, basic maths, focus on your weakness and go through the some complete syllabus thoroughly. Finally, these are few websites recommended for you, like indiabix.com is there, geeksforgeeks.com is there, metal.com for aptitude test, and placementfresherwords.com. These websites are recommended for the preparation of aptitude questions and practicing also aptitude questions. So guys, thank you all of you. We will get back in the next video with the content of the syllabus.